Hey guys, Fanciful here. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're making a project that flies in the face of many trees out there and breaks down the barriers between pure boredom and absolute ecstasy. It's feather string art. For this project, you're going to need a hammer, nails, some string, a picture of a feather, and a piece of wood. It would also probably be a good idea for someone to know where you are and what you're doing, just in case. Let's get started. First, we're going to take and tape your feather template to the piece of wood. Start nailing in nails all around the entire traced out portion. Once that's done, tear your piece of paper off the piece of wood because you no longer need it. Start wrapping your string around all of the nails in any pattern that you want. And when you reach the end, tie it off. You're done. Finally done. You are free to release yourself from the self-inflicted torture of making this, and now you can pursue more productive things, like finally filing your 1988 taxes. Thanks so much for watching. Check back soon to see another video from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me? Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.